folks, what's up? Today in this video, we're going to talk about disputing collections. That's right. I'm going to talk to you about disputing collection accounts. But before I talk to you about that, you need to stay all the way to the end of the video because I have a special gift for you and you're going to love the gift that I have for you. Today, we're talking about collections. That's right. Collections can be very damaging to your credit report if you really don't know how to dispute these collections on your credit report. And that is why you're here today. My name is Mark Claiborne. I am the founder and I am the best-selling author of the #1 credit repair book, Hidden Credit Repair Secrets. Well, it was #1 for 7 years in a row. I don't think it's #1 anymore, but I'm just kind of letting you know. So today we're going to talk about disputing collection accounts. That's right. Now, not just regular collection accounts, but we're going to talk about inaccurate collection accounts on a credit report. And that's what we're going to talk about now. Disputing collections on the credit report. I'm going to give you the key secrets to doing this, and I'm going to get straight to the point on doing this. Now, let's talk about it right here. Dispute collections on credit report. Now, the first thing we want to do whenever you see inaccurate collections on your credit report, and we're talking about inaccurate information here, we're not talking about accurate information. The first thing you want to do is you want to send a general information request letter to the collection agency. That's the first thing you want to do. What is that type of letter? Well, that letter is just a general letter asking the collection agency to send you everything they have on that particular collection account. So all you're saying is, hey, collector, send me everything you have regarding this collection. You're not really even disputing it with them. You're just saying, send it to me so I can review it myself. And that's what you're asking for. Okay? Number 2, when you get this information from the collection agency, I want you to compare their information with yours. So if they're saying that you owe this money and this collection account is on the credit report, I want you to compare the information that they have, that they sent you, with the information that you have regarding this collection account. Now, it's kind of like you're an investigator. You're investigating what the collector is reporting on your credit report, right? So you want to know, hey, collector, what do you have on my credit report? And I want to see what you have so I can compare that with what I have. Okay, you guys understand what I'm saying? So this is how you do it. This is the basic of disputing. And this is exactly what I did when a inaccurate collection account appeared on my credit report. Now, here's what I did next. The next thing I did is I built my argument with the bureau. So basically, I found out that the information that the collection agency had did not match the information that I had regarding that bill. So I was able to build my argument and prove the collection agency was wrong in reporting the information on the credit report. So whenever you're disputing with a collector, you can't just simply say, this is not my account, when truly it is your account. What you're trying to do is find out, is it accurate, right? So the collectors always report a lot of stuff that's not accurate. And it's your job to dispute and challenge anything that's inaccurate on a credit report, right? Because it's hurting your credit report. So you want to investigate what the collector has and you want to challenge them, build your argument with the credit bureaus and prove to the credit bureaus that what the collector is reporting is inaccurate. But it has to be truly inaccurate. You can't be lying in letters. That is not what I teach. I don't teach that. Okay. I teach accuracy. Okay. All right. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to click anywhere in this post. I told you anywhere in this video, I told you I'm going to give you a free gift if you watch all the way through. So I'm going to give you a free gift right now. I'm going to give you my dispute letter checklist just for watching this entire video. So click the link anywhere below. This checklist is going to help you. It's going to help you. It's going to help you with your disputing. The second thing I want to give you is 3 powerful dispute letters that I used back in the day to help me remove inaccurate information off of my credit report. So these are 3 powerful dispute letters that I used back in the day that helped me remove inaccurate information off of my credit report. Remember, it's not so much of I have to get the best letter here, I gotta get the best letter there. It's more of Is the collection agency following the law? Are they reporting 100% accurate? And that is the case. Mark Claiborne again. I'll see you again next time.